Ensuring you get top dollar for your home involves more than just the right timing. It requires a strategic approach. Selecting the right real estate agent is a pivotal decision, and at Real Broker, we understand the significance of this choice. We have a stellar track record, consistently achieving record-breaking results and setting new standards in the industry. Our team brings years of combined experience, providing a level of professional representation and negotiation skills that align with our renowned marketing strategies. We believe in a luxury, video-first, forward-thinking experience for all of our clients, regardless of the price point. We work hard and utilize the best tools to showcase your property's unique story. To maximize exposure, we begin by crafting an impactful script that emotionally connects potential buyers to your home. Our use of drone and aerial footage showcases the lifestyle associated with living in your home, highlighting nearby parks, trails, dining, shopping, and schools. Taking the video inside and to your backyard allows us to showcase the best angles and features, keeping buyers engaged and eager to explore further. We pair this with a specific and targeted marketing response. My background in digital marketing sales ensure that we marry the best of the physical and digital world. We will shoot high-quality photography, promote your listing across every major channel, drive and direct website traffic where it matters most, while simultaneously marketing your property to our database of eager home buyers. Additionally, we will hold open houses to get your neighborhood aware and talking about your home. Target print mailers or postcards and dial and door knock areas that we know are looking to move into your neighborhood. When you partner with Real Broker, you're not just selling a property, you're showcasing a lifestyle. Trust us to elevate your home's presence in the market and secure top dollar returns. And if you're looking for a realtor in the Denver area, our team would love to help. Like and subscribe to keep up with all things in the housing market in Colorado. And if you want to learn more and receive a personalized consultation, just reach out to us in the links below and get a free buyer's and seller's guide. This is Nick Rizzi, placing happy people into happy homes, your Denver Realtor.